Swink, co-president of Bruce's Yams and McCall Farms. Thank you so much for joining me. Can you tell me what it is that makes Bruce's different when it comes to those veggies that we might find out there?
So our Bruce's Yams are hacked fresh. They come in, they're from harvested in the field to in the can. It's within 8 hours. Very fresh, which makes it the most nutritious and tasteful sweet potato. We take very good pride in that.
That's wonderful. So when we say fresh, I have got a grocery store sweet potato here with me, and your process is getting it from here into here. So what would you say are the benefits of being able to eliminate having to buy a ton of these and instead just buy one of these?
Yeah, well, you certainly waste a lot less. When you buy that fresh sweet potato, you're going to create a lot more waste than should be created. It's also far more convenient. We're peeling it for you, we're cutting it for you, making it ready to eat right out of the can or ready for your recipe right out of the can. And you will enjoy the same quality as the fresh, and also the nutrition will be just as good as the fresh. Our Bruce's Yams have vitamin A, beta carotene, gluten-free, and are one of the most nutritious vegetables you can eat versus a white potato, versus a bread, versus any other starch. It's a great, healthy way to complement any diet.
What are some of your favorite recipes to eat Bruce's Yams in?
Some of my favorites is just taking a can, open it up, squeezing a little lemon juice and orange peel on there, and warming it up, and it's very healthy, very nutritious, and full of flavor. We also saute them in a pan with other spices that really, really make it nutritious, very healthy. There's just a lot of ways. You can go to our website and see many, many, many different recipes.
I love that. And so these Bruce's Yams are obviously very special, but if you don't mind, can you just tell me a little bit about what makes McCall Farms special and why your team is particularly unique?
Yeah, so McCall Farms is a family-owned company, which we're very proud of. We can tell you, even more so than the family, we have a great, great group of team that is incredibly loyal, hardworking, and wants the same outcome of these Bruce's Yams as a high-quality, high-nutritious product every time.
That's wonderful. So it definitely sounds like having that good mission statement is what sets Bruce's Yams apart. And the fact that you're the #1 distributor of yams in the US speaks for itself. Well, Woody, thanks so much for chatting with me. I am ready to go head into the kitchen and try a few recipes using these.
I have found that how healthy happens for me is whenever I can get into my kitchen and use my own ingredients to make hands-on recipes. Now, Bruce's Yams has helped me be able to do that because they pick the yams at their peak of ripeness and then can them, which allows for a longer shelf life and it makes them more affordable. Not to mention, it's so much easier when you go to start cooking. So today I wanted to highlight 3 different recipes. First of all, we've got the really classic yam pie. This is something that we often see right around Thanksgiving time or around the holidays. However, it's naturally gluten-free and fat-free depending on how you cook it. So this could also be great any time of year. You can also mix it up and give it that festive feeling by adding some marshmallows and toasted pecans. Next, I wanted to highlight a yam pancake waffle recipe. This only involves 2 ingredients. We are whisking together 2 eggs, but you could also use flax eggs if you wanted to make it vegan. Then you mix in ½ a cup of the mashed Bruce's yams. From here, all you do is pour it onto a hot skillet or into a waffle maker. Lastly, you can take that exact same mixture and pour it into a donut pan. This is a great way to make a fun treat for the whole family that has a little bit of protein as well as an extra source of veggies. There's a reason why Bruce's Yams is the #1 yam distributor in the US, so I highly recommend checking out their website and checking them out at a grocery store near you.